Landing pages are a great tool for computing, collecting, and providing sales leads for the company. It is also an excellent way to segment your audience, creating specific audiences and content types so that you can better target your marketing. ConvertKit landing pages help businesses grow their email lists by offering a great landing page experience for new visitors. Hi guys, this is Jaswin Walia from Team Learn Today, and in this SOP, we will learn how to create a landing page on our ConvertKit account. So without further ado, let's get into the video. All right, so this is our newly built ConvertKit dashboard. I hope you have logged in already, and we will just get right to it. In this SOP, we are going to make a landing page customized to our needs and what our objective is. So let's just say that I want to give out a free ebook. I want to have my picture on it, and I want to do a little bit of personal branding. So that's exactly what we're going to do over here. Let's get ahead. And over here, as you can see, in our quick actions section, you will find create a new. So from here, you can just go to landing page, or you can go to grow and you will find landing page and forms from here. So it's up to you how you want to make it. I'm just going to click on create a new landing page. Great. And as you can see, you have multiple templates to choose from, really interesting templates. If you want to have a video in your landing page, explaining who you are, introducing yourself, you can go ahead and have this template as your landing page, and you can edit it according to your needs, of course. If it's a webinar, you can just click on webinar from here, and you will find all the templates that are there for your webinar. Let's see, I want to give out an ebook. So let's find one good looking landing page that we would want. I really like this, so I'm just gonna click on choose from here. Great. So it redirects you to this particular page where you can edit everything. First of all, as you can see in our fields, there's only one field, that is the email address, and that's by default that you're going to get in every landing page. So what you are supposed to do is click on this plus sign right here. And as you can see in the right-hand side, you will have a custom field created. So we're going to save it as a custom field. We're going to name the custom field as first name or name according to what you want. I'm going to go ahead with first name. And I will want this particular field to be as a required field. So every time anyone tries to fill out this form, they would not be able to skip either the email address or the first name as their field. All right, so font size 18. If you want to change the color, if you want to change the background color, up to you, but I think it looks good as it is. So I'm not going to change anything from here. If you want to edit the contents in the email address as well, it's by default required. It's by default there. You cannot change that. If you want to change the font size, font color, background color to match up with the custom field, feel free to do that. Right. So now that we have done that, as you can see, our picture right here is of a man. That is not us. And since this is going to be a personal branding landing page right here, we are supposed to put either our picture or whoever your spokesperson is. So you will have to go, we will have to go to general styles from here. And as you can see, the image underlay right here is of this man. So let's just go ahead and choose our picture. Click here, choose files to upload, or you can just get some pictures from Unsplash, from your profile, your Instagram profile, whatever you want. I'm going to choose a file to upload. All right, so now that our picture is here, I think it looks pretty good. I don't need to change it. What you can do is you can change the text that's right here, the texts that are right here. All you need is select the text that you want to change. And you can just do this. Of course, the font color can be changed. I'm going to make it gray, slightly gray. Yes, that's nice. I think that works. Your heading, of course, could be anything. I'm just going to put heading 1 right here. And the text is already there. So you can just change the text as well. I'm going to change the color. This. Yeah, perfect. And you can change the text from here. So change the text color to white. Yep, that works. All right. So, of course, whatever you want to put about yourself, what you do, who you are, why they should sign up for the landing page. This is your sales page. Sell yourself. If you're selling yourself as a personal brand, tell them why they need to sign up on this landing page. That's your work. So go ahead, figure it out, write it here, experiment with a few other landing pages as well, and you'll be good to go. Right here, I can just write get a free ebook about digital marketing. I want to keep it very simple. I think black as a color works. Do not miss your chance. Fill out the form below and sign up today and get the free ebook today. That works. I think that's good now. All right. The rest of the things, if you want to add a picture somewhere, if you want to add some more text, you can definitely do that. If you want to add a different field saying send me a message, you can put it as a non-required field. That always gives you a very customized and personalized feel on these landing pages. So feel free to do that. Let me just write message me. Yep, and that works. That's perfect. All right. Now that we are done with creating this particular landing page, you can change the name of the landing page as well. Personal branding ebook. All right. This is fine, I guess. All right. So the next thing we can do right now is we have to save it from here and publish it. And of course, we have our video on how you can connect your WordPress with the ConvertKit account through a plugin. So I'm just going to mention the steps for that particular video or the steps to get your plugin on WordPress Dashboard in the description box down below. So do check it out. And yeah, this is done. You can just copy this particular link from here and paste it wherever you want. You can paste it in your blog post, you can paste it in a page as well. We have our SOPs on that, so you can check that out as well. And yeah, we have successfully created, saved, and published a landing page on a ConvertKit account. Hope this SOP helped you guys create a landing page for yourself according to your objective and needs. If you want to learn how to put this particular landing page on your WordPress blog, go ahead and check out this particular video. If you have any comments, suggestions, or doubts about ConvertKit or WordPress, feel free to put them in the comment section down below. Go ahead and like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on that bell icon so that you can get updates on whenever we come up with new videos. This is Jasmine Valia, and I will see you in our next SOP.